Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Defender 110 HSE, finished in the very stylish Lantau Bronze. It's a 3-litre diesel and it does come with full service history. Sitting on those stunning gloss black alloys, working well with the bronze exterior styling. And to finish the vehicle off, you've got the rear privacy glass. Showing you the practicality of the vehicle now, you've got a huge amount of boot space there. The rear seats do also fold down to provide a huge amount. With the Acorn and Lunar Interior, very comfortable to be in, certainly does look the part as well. And you've got the Meridian surround sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle. Very well presented dashboard. It does come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof and a huge amount of natural lighting. Always a nice feature to have on a vehicle, I'm sure you'll agree. Got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, giving you full confidence when getting into those tight spaces. Huge range of other features. These do include your heated and cooled front seats, perfect for use all year round, and your electrically deployable tow bar there as well, for all your towing needs. For more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.